Yes, good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Fine.
Yes, last session we have discussed about the e-way bill, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today's sessions we are going to learn how to do the GST filing in offline. Okay, so I think on Tuesday you have learned how to do in the online, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today I'll be teaching how to do in the offline. So fine. So let me share my screen. Okay, if you are doing offline filing means we have to download from the website, the official website. GST filing we have on official website, right? Do you all know that? Are we all aware of that? www.gst.government.in. Okay, this is your official website. So I'll be sending you. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I'll be putting the link in the chat box. Okay, you can view from that. Okay, did you all got? Did you receive in the chat box? I have given the link. You can check
Uh,
once.
okay.
Okay, fine. So, guys, you can make a note of each and every point. So, how you going to do the online filing? How you did will be completely different from that. So, you have to concentrate on each and every steps here. So, and please focus and please write down each and every steps. Okay. Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we have to download. You have to go for download option. So there, can you see offline tool? So under that you can see returns offline tool. So here we are going to now we are going to do the offline filing. So returns filing. So you have to click on that returns offline tool. There you can see download option. Can you see the download option? Can see
Yes,
download,
ma'am.
extract, and run the returns file offline tool to uh, collect the upload the invoices and other data in the offline mode. Currently, this tool will be available only for the GSTR1 and GSTR2 forms. Okay, so now we are doing offline filing. So you have to download from here. So information you will be getting pop up. Just proceed. Automatically, it will be downloaded. Okay, then you have to click on the extract all, extract the file. I think if you have means obviously you can go ahead with that because already I have this folder, so it's showing like this. So if you don't have means you have to just click on the more info as well as run anyway, and you have to click on next and you have to install. Since I already have this template GST offline tool, so only it is showing me like this. Let me show you. Okay, can you see this? So here you have to go for more info. After that, you have to click on run anyway. So next, then you can install.
Mhm.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I
After
have
that, yes,
like Gstr, like it's a tool, ma'am, to now.
yes,
It is a tool, ma'am, to offline. I can't
yes.
get.
So from the official website, we are downloading the tool. Hello, Anu, your
Ma'am,
voice is breaking. I can't hear your voice.
can you hear me, ma'am?
1 second, give me a second. Yes. So till here, everyone understood? Yes, Anu, you were asking something. It's a offline tool, okay?
Okay. No, offline in the sense, like I can't get you. Like written hand, like filing and
Yeah,
booking.
we are filing. Offline filing we are doing. Anu,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, what is your doubt actually?
I can't get the online and offline thing.
Online means we will be filing in the online. So offline means where we will be like using the official website. So already you have learned online filing, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It will be opposite to that. So if you want to do offline means, so like a specifically if you want to like a B2B, B2C separately, if you want to do means, you can go ahead with the offline also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, till here understood? Bella Maria?
Yes, ma'am. I have
Yes.
installed that. After that, what should?
Yeah. So 1 sec. So it is a one tool. So till here you have completed. So let us go for now the practice part. Okay.
Ma'am, in download, which one we want to download? Ma'am? That returns,
Yes, return to.
return offline to ma'am, or
Yes,
GST.
return after to. Okay, next we have to, I am going J and K shop registered dealers is dealing in both goods and services. The company is required to file GST returns for the month of October 2022. Please file GSTR 1 with the data provided. Kindly note the export sales provided in the question. So now by using this case study, we are going to do the filings in the offline. Okay, so you can just open that, you can download the file. Extract. Okay, here they have given the data of that particular things. So J and K logins details and credentials, everything they have given. So you can click on enable editing. So you can see now. So if you are doing GSTR1 written filing, means based on which category you will be doing? GSTR1 written, why we have to do? On which format we'll be doing? Hello? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
GSTR1 filing, why, on which basis we'll be going to do GSTR1 written filing?
By the rate of return.
At the rate of, based on which, whether it's a sales or purchase or any other thing. Already you have gone through the recordings, I guess, as well as the theory.
Yeah, sales.
Yes. So GSTR1 will be doing based on the sales, and GSTR3B will be the summary of the purchase as well as the sales. Don't forget this, okay? So now we are doing GSTR1 filing in the offline, not in the online, in the offline. So here they have given the particular things, datas, like you can see that we have done the sales register, we have done PKR Limited, as we have so many customers here. Am I right? So we have so many customer, as well as invoice type also they have given GST sales, export sales, GST sales, and exempt. So if it is exempt means we won't be considering, like there is no reverse charge mechanism and there is no refund amount. We can't get that. So as well as GST sales, export sales, exempted sales. So and also they have given the invoice number also, GST number also. So this is your case study. Okay. By using this, we are going to bifurcate and we are going to work on, we'll be going to file. So since we are working on the sales register, since we are doing the GSTR1 written filing, we will be focusing on only sales register, not any purchase or a purchase return register. Okay. Understood? Till here, everyone
Yes.
understood?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now you can see we have some of the cases are exempted and some of the GST sales is happened and some of the things exported, and we have so many invoice types. So now what we have to do means we have to bifurcate each and everything. We have to separate everything so that we can easily analyze the data, what is happening inside, and whether it's a B2B or a B2C, we can configure that. So that's why, let us first, you can put the filter, guys. By default it will be there. If it is not there means you can go ahead with the Excel and you can put the filter here. Okay. So now let me put the filter for exempt. Okay, you can put the filter here. So I want only exempted sales. Okay, so these are the exempted sales. So you can just copy that. You can paste. Here you are going to bifurcate. Okay. I'll be putting as a exempt. Next, we'll go with the export sales. So we have a export sales also. Let us take a export sales. I'm segregating, guys. Okay. You can make a note. Afterwards, you can work on that. Okay, then what we have? So next we have GST sales. Here in the GST, we can see that um, like 27, and only they have given year 33. Can you all see that? 33.
Yes, ma'am.
So because why they have given means to make you all like to confuse you all, they have given 33 Tamil Nadu. So if it is this is the case means please don't take that, okay? Please don't take that, because so it is a like a which is not exempted, so it is not a customer. To confuse you all, they have given this things. So the GST number should be at least 50, the digit should be 50, number should be there. So then only it is a correct thing, or else it will be a, to confuse you all, they have given like this. So then what you have to do, what you have to do, you can filter again, so you can remove that GST Tamil Nadu. Okay. GST sales. Okay, till here everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have
Yes, ma'am.
bifurcated each and everything. So you can see now. So let me remove the thing. Exempted sales. Okay. So whenever you can see that they have like some other blankly they have given, right, in the GST number. They didn't give some GST number. Can you see that? That means that person is a customer who don't have a GST number. Okay, you can see that. The second one, BZ Enterprises, they don't have a GST number because they don't have a like they didn't cross 2,50,000, more than that they are not reached, means obviously they can go ahead with that. That person will be called as a customers. Okay, don't be considered that. So as well as you can see 4 to 5 members, they don't have a GST number, and here only one person they have given, that is Tamil Nadu, to confuse you all. So you can leave that. Total how much, how many we have, how many employees we have? Total 14 members, am I right? Partners. So like I can say that customers, we have total 14 customers. So now we have bifurcated each and everything, like a exempt sale, export sales, as well as GST sales. So do you have any doubts still here? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let us go for the Excel tool now. So GST Excel tool. Okay. Here I'll be going to open now GSTR1 workbook 2. I think you'll be receiving this. After that, you have to click on the enable editing. So this is a template, guys. So template means what? Template means what? Hello? What
Hmm.
do you mean by template?
The pattern or the form.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, we have to insert the data. So it will be like a, as you said, it's a pattern. Based on that, we have to insert our data. Am I right? So they have given the template now. So since we are doing offline filing, so we have to insert our data related to our sales, as well as if we are dealing with the B2B. B2B means business to business. If we are doing B2C means business to customers. What and all we are doing, sales, regarding the sales aspect, what and all we are doing, based on that data we are going to provide here. Understood? Till here understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think you guys have made a note, I guess. Give me a second. Okay, come back. Do you have any doubts, guys?
No, ma'am.
Till here, did you all made a note? Anu,
Ah,
do you have
yes.
any doubt? Hello, Anu.
No, ma'am. No.
Okay, fine. So, and I just wanted to tell you all. So now, how you going to identify business to business and business to customer? How you going to identify? Can you all tell me? After seeing this chart, are you going to identify business to business and business to customer, B2B and B2C?
By particulars.
By particulars, huh? How can you know that? Like here, every names are given as a formal only. So how can you identify with the particular? Any guesses?
Like we should know who is the customer, who is B2B.
No, yeah. Who will be the B2B and who is the B2C? On the
Maybe
yeah.
B2C they don't have
Huh?
GST.
Yeah. Yes. Come on. You're saying
They
something.
don't have GST. Customers don't have
Who's
GST.
telling this actually? Anu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good, Anu. So if they did not given the GST number, means we have to consider them as a business to customer. If they given the GST number, means we have to consider them as a what? What we have to
B2B.
consider them? Yes, business to business. So we have did the for this. So let me change the name into B2B so that you can easily understand it. Okay. So fine. So let us go for the B2C. B2C also will let us configure that. So what you have to do means, only to confuse you all, they have given Tamil Nadu. Let us take that also. Okay. So how many customers we have for B2C?
7.
Yeah, very good. So now you can just copy that. You can paste it and you can make it as a B2C. So now we have categorized into 4 things. One is a exam, another one is a export sales, next one is a B2B as well as B2C. Understood? Till here understood? What you have to do, you have to put a filter for each and everything, because we are going to bifurcate the exempted as well as exported ones as well as B2B. So B2B, it's nothing that business to business. If they have the GST number, means that person, like that business, will be called it as a business to business. So if they don't have a GST number, means obviously then it will be considered as a B2C, means business to customer. Till here understood? Any doubts? Hello? Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So now
No,
we
ma'am.
have done with the bifurcations. So let us go with the offline tool. Guys, after downloading,
Ma'am, 1 second.
yes,
I don't little doubt, like, why should we bifurcate this everything?
because if you
Like,
don't bifurcate, means like while doing the filing, you'll be confused. So you'll be understanding in the next step why we have bifurcated here. Okay, we can do, if you did not bifurcate also, you can do directly also. But if you do the bifurcation, means obviously it will be easy to analyze that. So for like for exempt and all, we won't be considering that, right? So exempt means the amount we won't be considering in the GST. So export sales means it is a exporting from one place to another place, one state to another state, you are going to export. Am I right? So
yes,
as far as it comes to B2B, means business to business, means who and all comes under the business. To know that, we will be going to bifurcate, not any other things. So if you don't want, means you don't need to do the bifurcation. You can directly take from here itself. From the table you can take. So since I don't want to make you all to confuse, so I did the like a easy method. I'm showing you all easy method. That's it. Okay. Okay, after that, so if already you have downloaded the offline tool, so after that you will be receiving these files, guys. So templates you will be going to receive. So in that you can select the template. So if you click any template also, you'll be receiving that. So you can click on that. So you'll be receiving this kind of template. Okay, so where you're going to insert each and every data. Okay, I'll be explaining one by one. Listen carefully. After that, you can do by yourself. Okay. So you can see that GSTR1 offline filing we are doing. So here you can see the help instructions. You can go through each and every instructions. So who and all will come. So you can see that B2B says and DE supplies, who and all will come. Everything they have given. So GST1 replacement or invoice number, invoice date, as well as the what and all should be added for the offline filing. Everything they have given here with the tax rate, and if it is a reverse charge is there, means you have to implement that. And if it is a invoice type, which invoice type it belongs to. If it is a e-commerce GSTN, means we have to implement. So these are the stuffings. So you can go through this later, guys. And amended means what? Amendment means what? Amended. Hello, are you all there?
yes, ma'am. I don't know.
Yes, amendment is nothing that if you want to change any, like if you want to if you want to change, further changes has to be made. Just take it as example, you have did the filings in the B2C large. Okay, so after that, if you want to make any changes, means obviously you'll be going with the amended B2C. So let me show one by one for that you can easily understand. So here you can see B2B says is, what is the meaning of says? Social economic zone. Okay, special economic zone, where you're going to if it is any special economic zone had, that means you can going to file here. And DE means what? Deemed to be. Okay, so deemed to be, so those kind of stuffings you'll be going to insert here. And B2B A means after doing the filing in the offline filing, after doing this, so if you have made any changes, the changes has to be made, means you can come and you can do it under the B2BA. It is nothing that business to business. So now you guys are understood why I have bifurcated. Am I right? So if you bifurcate
Yes,
them,
ma'am.
obviously you can easily insert here directly. So no need of going and like searching and putting again the filter, and from there you have to copy and you have to paste it here. So I don't want to give the risk for you all. So that's why. Okay. So B2BA means if you have made any changes, means you'll be coming here and you'll be making the changes. Okay. So next will be B2CL. CL is nothing that business to customer large. So large means it's nothing that the if it is a more than 2,50,000 they are furnishing, means obviously they can file it under the B2CL, means large. If it is a small, means B2C small, means it will be below 2,50,000 they have furnishing, means obviously they can go ahead with the B2C small. Okay, and also you can see that B2CL large and B2CLA means amendment, any further changes has to be made, means you can comment, you can do it here. And B2CS means smaller, below 2,50,000 means you can record it here. And B2CA means amendment, any changes has to be done, means you can go ahead, you can make it here. And CDNR means debit and credit note. So if you have any debit note, what is the meaning of debit and credit note? What do you mean by that?
To increase or decrease the
Hmm?
uh,
Come again?
to increase or decrease.
Yeah, it is a purchase return, sales return. Forgotten. If you have made any purchase return, sales return is happened, means you will be recording here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, that's all. If it's increasing, it goes in debit note, or decreasing goes in
Yeah.
the credit.
Okay, fine. Okay, so if it is any changes has to be done, means you'll be doing here. Okay, and also we have a, so if you like if they're given short form, means you can just come to the help instructions and you can like if you want abbreviation for that each and everything, means you can see here, guys. So X means it is nothing that export, so you can see that, as well as XPA means it's nothing that amended export, as well as if you have a ATA. So ATA means you can see that amended tax liability on advances. If you have made any advances taxes, means obviously you'll be coming here and you'll be doing. One second, guys. Yes, I'm sorry, guys. Let's come back. So where were we? Okay, so if you want to see that thing means you can come and you can see it here. Okay, exempt, nil rated, exempt, non GST, as well as we have a HSN summary B2C supplies. So we have so many things. So if you want, you can view it here. Okay, understood? So now we will be focusing on which are the criterias. Any idea where we have to focus? Any idea? Hello, are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just tell me where we have to focus. In which are the criteria, so in other which are the templates we have to use.
B-
So we already
B2B.
bifurcated there. So where we have to do now and what and all we have to implement. Any idea about that? Do you have any idea?
B2B.
B2B. Yes, B2B. So
B2. Oh,
yes. Now come back to your case study now. So if you are doing B2B means so the tax value. So the tax value, if it is a more than, as I said you that if it is a more than 2,50,000 means we will be going with the B2B large. Am I right?
yes.
Yes. If it is less means,
B2B.
yeah, I'm telling B2B only. So if you are getting more than 2,50,000 means you'll be going with the B2B large. Am I right?
Ah, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is less than 2,50,000 means where you're going to do? Where you're going to
B2B
post?
small.
Very good. B2B small. So here we have to go ahead with the B2B smalls. Where it is that? B2B small.
B2B.
B2B.
S.
Huh?
B2B. B2.
B2B
B2C.
sis.
B2B. This is B2C, right? B2B
Yeah.
where? So we'll be recording under the B2B set
Yes.
T. Okay. So you'll be recording here. So but the thing, so we'll go one by one so that it
Ma'am, I
won't be.
have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Anu.
Ma'am, can you scroll to B2B? No. In
Yeah.
this, ma'am, like everything comes at below 2,50,000, ma'am. If
Yes.
some purchases are above 2,50,000, something is below 2,60,000, you should do separately.
Yes. So if it is no, I'm telling that if it is like after adding whether like so I'm telling the thing is, so if you're getting, so you can see that PQR limited they got only 36,000, whether it's a 2,50,000, whether it's more than 2,50,000. No, if it is lesser than means you'll be recording under the B2B small. Okay, if it is more means the taxable value is more than 2,50,000 means you'll be recording under the B2B large. Understood?
If we plus everything means it will come.
Huh?
Like if it total means it will be about 2 lakhs, no, ma'am.
Yeah, we are doing separately, so we are not counting each and everything. We are doing separately, right? Taxable value. So PQR limited is a separate customer and H and company stores
Yes,
are
ma'am.
customer. Then how can we?
Okay.
If they're paying like see that, so H and company stores they are paying 64 lakh. So like that, like here also you can see EY is paying 85,000. So that is a taxable amount only 85,000. Like that. So if you got 2,50,000, more than 2,50,000 means automatically they will come under the B2B large. Okay. B2B large. If they comes lesser than means they will be comes under the B2B small. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll be going to record under the B2B small. Okay, fine. So can we do first exempt so that you will be understand clearly? Okay.
It's okay,
So
ma'am.
fine. Can we? Where is the exempt? So you can see here exempt. It is an export. Yes, it's here. Okay. Can you see here? So now what we have filing? Now what we are doing?
Exempted supplies.
Yes, exempted supplies. So here in the descriptions, so whether it's a more than 2,50,000 or a less than 2,50,000. Hello. I'm sorry, guys. Till here, everyone understood?
Yes.
Did you all getting confused? Are you all getting confused?
No.
No, right? Okay,
No.
fine. So here we are filing with the exempt. So exempt details I'm going to give now. Okay. So let us come back here. So in the description, so exempt, why they have given exempt, we'll see that. So here you can see that. So exempt they have given, whether they have given CGST and SGST. Hello? No, right? So 32, which state it belongs to?
Kerala.
Yes. So they are doing, so you can see IGST is nil. So they didn't give any rates here. So that's why we will be in the description, we will be taking as a intrastate supply for registered person. Am I right? Yes, registered, right? So why you have
Yes,
taken
ma'am.
as a registered person?
GST number is there.
Very good. So since they have a GST number, so have taken as a intrastate supply for the GST number. So next, let me copy paste that. So intrastate supply for, here what we have to change?
Unregistered person.
Very good. Unregistered person, because the next person don't have a GST number. So that's why I have taken as a unregistered person. Till you are understood? So here nil rated supply, just leave blank. And here exempted other than nil rated non-GST supply. So here they have given the value. So let us take the value here, okay? So the taxable value. What is the taxable value they have given? You can just copy paste that, guys. So you can copy paste. You can put it here. Okay. And non-GST supply details, they didn't give anything. So don't put anything. You can leave it blank. Understood? So in the description, you have to put intrastate supply for registered person and intrastate supply for unregistered person, because one person have a GST number and another person don't have a GST number, as well as they have a GST number. So taxable value, you'll be going to put the taxable amount here. Understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next, according to our phenomena, we can see that export sales. We have a export sales. Let us go for the export now. Okay. So export type. So here you will be selecting as a without payment. So whether export sales and all, whether we are going to pay for export sales.
No.
Most of the time we won't be paying. So if you're paying means you'll be considered as a with the pay. Okay, so here in your case study also we didn't pay any export payment and all, so only I have taken as a, you can see that export GST number and all, it's not there. So what we have to do, export sales, we have to make it as a without pay. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So here you will be putting the invoice, whether they have given invoice number. Yeah, invoice number they have given, you can copy and you can paste it. And invoice date also they have given. So you can just copy paste that. So I'll be selecting here also without pay. Okay. Next, invoice value. They have given the invoice value, right? So you can take that invoice value. Okay. So invoice value as well as the taxable values are same. So let me take the same. Okay. So next, whether they have given the rates.
No.
Rate they didn't give, huh?
18%.
Yes, they have given here. So you can select the rates. So how much they have given? 80.
For what they gave 18%?
IGST, export.
For export, we don't change.
Yes, but they have given the rate if that is the case of like exporting. So we will be actually, if it is the case of export and all, so export means we will be going to export. Am I right? So you'll be going to sell based on the city, based on the country, or the based on the state, we will be going to collect the GST. But while doing the taxation, if you're collecting from the state to state, intra-state means obviously we will be paying 18%. Am I right? Based on the product, we will be paying 18%, right? IGST.
Yes, ma'am. But in this case, export, like, why should we?
So since they have given the GST rates here, so it is not implemented for any other thing, but we have to take the GST rates. If it is applicable means it will be going to calculate. If it is not applicable means since it's a template, we have to use the rates. Okay, but it is not calculated. Okay, if it is calculated means obviously the taxable value also going to increase, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you can see the same invoice value as well as taxable values are same. No difference because there is no GST rates are implemented. Like they did not calculate it, they didn't do anything. So it is not implemented. But since it's a template, you will be going to take it as a GST rate as a, since in the case study only they have given 18%. So I'm going to take it as a 18% rate. So, but I didn't implement it anywhere. IGST or either CGST, SGST, I didn't bifurcate anywhere. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any doubts? Hmm?
No.
Okay, fine. So let us go for the next one. What we have? B2B. So as I said you that if any transaction is more than 2,50,000 means, so what it means, everything is a like a, we have to do under the B2B small. Am I right? So if it is more than means more than 2,50,000 means we have to record it under the B2B large. Understood? Hello? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now, as I already I have explained you all, it is no like a taxable already calculated, but also so nobody has reached more than 2,50,000. So I'm going to record under the B2B says deemed to be. Okay, here I'll be recording. So fine. So GST number. So already we have bifurcated, so no worries. So let us take everyone's. And receivers names means particular names. And they have given invoice number, right? You can copy, paste, invoice date. So what and all is that? Just copy paste, guys. That's it. And invoice value. Mm, 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 mm. Place of supply. So place of supply, what is the place of supply we have? So yes, tell me. So first one, we have to search for that.
Okay, sir.
So I think 27 means Maharashtra, I guess. Yeah, Maharashtra. And next 32 means obviously. You're from Kerala?
No.
I'm from Kerala.
Yeah. So you'll be
I'm
familiar.
from Tamil Nadu.
For Tamil Nadu, what is the
33.
33? Okay. Chha. And 33, which state it belongs to?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay. Till here, everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you are making any reverse charge mechanism means you can mention it as a N means no, Y means yes. Okay. Here we don't have any
Second, can you say what is the reverse charge? 1 second, please.
reverse charge. You didn't go through the theoretically you didn't practice,
No,
guys.
we have my ma'am teach them, but still I'm asking. I can't get that immediately.
Huh?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am took a theory on that, but I'm just asking. I forgot that. So.
Okay. So reverse charge mechanism is nothing that we are going to shift our responsibility means wait a second, I'll explain with the example. Mm, 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 mm. So before giving the invoices, okay, before giving the invoices, you will be going to pay. So that is what reverse charge actually. Reverse charge mechanism means we are going to shift our responsibility. We will be paying instead of you, somebody will be paying, right? So GST. So instead of suppliers, the recipient will be going to pay for that. So that is what reverse charge mechanism.
Okay.
Mm, 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 mm. So in reverse charge mechanism, actually, most of the time it will work under the tobacco as well as cottons. These are the things where the reverse charge mechanism will take in place most of the time. Understood? What is the reverse charge? Like, just take it as example, guys. If you are like, suppose GST registered persons buys goods from the one who are not unregistered person. If he buys from that 10,000 worth rupees goods, means obviously in that case particularly, that person, the dealer, has to raise the invoice. So instead of that, the dealer will be like, supplier will be going to pay the GST amount. Instead of me, he will be going to pay. So because I am not a registered person, so the registered person will be going to pay instead of me. So that is what reverse charge mechanism.
The buyer
Understood now?
will pay instead of seller.
Yes.
Buyer will pay instead of seller.
Yes. So the one who are registered for the GST portal, just take it as example, I have registered for the GST. Am I right? So I will be the supplier, but customer won't be the customer won't have the GST number, and he won't be dealing with that. But he is already have opted for 10,000 worth goods. I already have sold, and he have doing something and all. Means after that, instead of you, that person will be the seller will be going to pay. So based on the 12% of that particular amount, you'll
But
be
they
going
don't
to pay.
have GST. They didn't register number. How they can pay? Customer,
So
I can't
because
get you clearly.
how can I explain y'all? So one thing I just wanted to tell you guys, reverse charge mechanism is nothing that. So we will be going to before getting the invoices, we will be going to pay. So still the supplier did not provide me the GST invoice, not GST invoice. So it didn't provide me the invoice.
Ma'am, if I am a supplier and you are a buyer, I am selling without GST to you because you are
Yeah.
not registered. No.
Yes.
So, what will happen there? Like you don't have GST. I sold goods to you for 10,000 on GST rate.
I didn't get you actually.
And can you please explain that example again, like clearly? I can't get you what you're.
Reverse charge is nothing that. I'll say one thing. So suppose a GST registered dealer buys a goods worth rupees 10,000. Just take it as example 10,000. Okay.
So
And
I'm buying with
yes,
you, ma'am.
yes,
You don't have GST number, but I have.
from the unregistered person. Okay. From the unregistered person, I'm buying the goods.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. In that case, the dealer will be going to one who are dealing. So that dealer will be going to raise the invoices. He will raise the
Dealing in
invoice.
the sense?
Like I'll purchasing with the unregistered person, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Who
I'm
will be
buying
the
with the
dealer?
unregistered person. So I'll be the dealer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll be going to raise the self invoice. GST
Okay.
self invoice I'll be going to raise. So just take it as an example, as I said you 10,000. So the GST will be 12%. So here the reverse charge mechanism will work as a, so instead
While
of,
paying to that unregistered member, you will pay by the
yeah,
GST
behalf
rate,
of
and
you
you will
I'll be
claim
paying.
from the
Yes.
and you will claim from the self.
Yes, self invoice I will be going to raise, and behalf of me you'll be going to pay for the government.
What will be the proof, ma'am? I just give. I just paid the tax to the unregistered person. What will be the proof there? If I want to claim
Because
self.
you like the thing is, so whenever you'll be doing the set of entry output minus input, am I right? So if you're buying
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
customers, any unregistered person means obviously, so if it is more than worth the goods is more than 10,000 or a 20,000 means obviously the income tax we have to file the GST, am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that situation, if you did not file means obviously it will be the illegal thing. So in that particular time, you'll be going to reverse charge mechanism.
That I
So
got it. Ma'am, I have a doubt in the sense that if I'm registering in the self GST, I will
okay.
be paying to the unregistered number with the GST rate, right? And after
So
that, I will
instead
pay
of you,
from my.
I'll be paying. So I'll be raising. I'll be self invoice. I'll be going to raise the self invoice. Okay, in that self invoice, I'll be like the rupees will be, just take it as example, 1,200 as a GST amount I'm going to pay for that particular product. Okay, so just think that. So like 10,000 into 12% means 1,200 you're going to pay the GST. So I have raised the invoices that I am in behalf of your customer, the supplier, like the buyer, not a buyer, sorry, behalf of the supplier, the buyer will be going to pay the 1,200 rupees. So that is what reverse charge mechanism. Still you didn't understand? Hello?
Then,
Anu, where are you now?
in academy.
Huh?
In academy.
Which academy?
In Bangalore.
Yeah, in Bangalore, where?
Koramangala.
Kormangla. Did you understood the concept of this?
Not sure, but little bit.
Wait a second, then I wanted to clear your doubt.
Mom.
So Bella Maria, did you understood
I got it. Mom. I got it.
how? Maria, did you understood?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So here the like just take it as an example. Suppose a GST registered dealer, okay, GST registered dealer, if he buys the goods from the just take it as example, 10,000 worth goods he has purchased from the unregistered person, unregistered supplier he has purchased, means in that case the dealer will be going to raise one self invoice like 1,200 rupees in like a GST. Okay, after deductions, like after adding GST percentage, he has to pay 1,200 for that particular product. Okay, so that is what reverse charge mechanism. Anu, understood? Can I continue, guys? Anu, are you there?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now, ma'am has explained you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you're clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what you understood?
Because of the unregistered person, we are paying the GST. Like,
Mm.
um,
Now you got
according
an
to
idea.
the product.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is what an reverse charge mechanism. Okay, so fine. Where we were. Okay. Okay. So you'll be mentioning as a N means here.
And for register one, no?
No. Reverse whether you're doing registered or not. No, N means
N
no,
means none.
no,
Okay.
and Y means yes. We are not doing any reverse charge. Okay. Okay, fine. Next, we'll go with the tax rate. So they have given the tax rate also. Let me copy everything. And for year also let us give rate. And invoice type, which invoice we are doing? Which invoice we are doing? Hello? Guys, which invoice we are doing? Guys, please do respond soon. Which invoice type? Hello? Are you all there?
Ma'am, yes,
Regular
ma'am.
B2B. Okay. We are doing B2B, business to business. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether you guys are confused?
No,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next, let us put the taxable value, which is already they have given taxable value.
In original tool, it will self calculate, no?
Yes,
Like it's for practice, or in we should calculate and we should enter it.
it's by like
It
here
won't.
they have by default they have calculated and they have given. Okay, so 40,320 into 12% they have calculated and they have given here. So no
Like
need
if
of
you're doing
calculating
an
again.
offline, if you're doing an offline, then the tool means what? It will just calculate.
Yeah. So you have to calculate that actually. So but in your case study they have given in the practice part. So we are just copy pasting them. Okay. So till here everyone understood. Says they didn't give anything. You can leave blank. Okay. So anyone have any doubts? So let us go for the next one, B2C. So whether it's a small or large, according to your case study, whether it's a small or large.
Small.
B2C. Yes, very good. It's a small. So it'll be coming under the B2C small. So they have
I
given
have
the type.
one more doubt in B2C. Like,
Okay.
check. And can you go to Excel, ma'am? You mean to say second one export sales is all repeating only.
What?
Like second one, it's repeating ma'am, for export sales.
I didn't see that actually, Yash. Thank you. I didn't put a filter properly. Only this many, right? Okay. So these many are customers, business to customer. Am I right?
Yes,
So others are exported. So thank you, thank you. Fine. So now we'll go with the type. So that is OE, other than electronic. So it's a, since it's a other than electronic, we'll be going to select it as a other than electronic. Okay. So each and everything you'll be going to select it as a other than electronic. So place of supply. Place of supply. So here you can see that for second one, it is a 33 Tamil Nadu they have given. So in your case study, what they have given actually? So which is your place of supply? Place of supply. GST number. Yes, you have to select that. Okay. So second one is Tamil. Third one Kerala. Okay. So we have done with this. So next, tax rate. What is the tax rate they have given? So in your case study, they have given the tax rate. Just copy and you can paste it. For rate also same. And taxable value. Taxable value also they have given. You can just copy paste that. Okay. So only Tamil Nadu is from other state. So rest of them are from a state, because you can see here. So only CGST, SGST they have left. For Tamil Nadu, it is a intra-state. So that's why they have taken from the IGST. If it is the within the state means they will be going to calculate SGST and CGST. So this is how you're going to identify whether it's a interstate or a intrastate. Okay. Understood? Okay. Fine. Okay. Here we'll be going to record all the summary documents issued during the tax period. So summary we will be going to record it here, the total overall. So how much the invoices as raised and how much the B2B and how much the B2C has happened, as well as exempted, everything you're going to give under here. So here the nature of the document you'll be giving as a, please make a note, invoice for outward supply, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
For outward supply. Okay, you can take it from here. Okay, invoice from outward supply. So here you'll be recording the serial number where from the invoices will be going to start. So let me remove all the filters here. How many invoices are there?
40.
Invoice. Yes, you'll be recording that. So the first from where it will going to start, invoice number 137. 2, you'll be recording the last invoice number. Understood? And total invoice number 14.
14.
And we didn't cancel anything, so just leave that. Okay? Understood? Any doubts? So now what you have to do means you have to save this file. Save as. You can save it in the desktop. You can use the name as a J and what is your company name? J and K shop. Okay. So you can just save that. So it is there in the desktop. Okay. So till here everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to open your offline tool. Already I think it has opened. Yes. So after opening, you'll be getting the screen, guys. So if you're downloaded means you'll be opening, like you'll be getting the screen if you open means. So till here, everyone understood? Okay. So here you can see upload new invoice, other data for returns. You can just click on that. So you can just click on the new. Okay. Here we have doing the filings for GSTR1. Am I right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
GSTR1 returns. So GSTN for of supply. So you have to record. You have to give your GSTI number. So which is already they have given in your case study. Can put the GST financial year. What is the financial year they have given? 2022-23. You'll be selecting as a 2022 and 23. And the month, which month they have given? October 2022. Here we are going to select the October 2022. And it says taxpayer. So whether we are says taxpayer, guys, whether we are paying any cess
No,
special
ma'am.
zone economics, whether they are given no. If it is not there means you have to click on the no. So is taxpayer quarterly filter, like quarterly filer, whether we are doing quarterly or monthly? So they have clearly they have given
Monthly.
GST returns for the month of October. So we are doing monthly wise. So we will be going with the yes or no. We have to click
No.
on the no option. Okay. So is aggregate turnover greater than 5 crore in a preceding financial year? So no. Okay. Till here everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So then click on the proceed option. So you'll be getting a warning. So you have to click on the S. So next you have to go with the import file. We are going to import files. So just click on the import file. So here we have to click on the import file. You have to select which is your desktop. We have stored right J and K shops. You'll be selecting that. Yes, we have to click on the data. So now it is, since it's a official website, we are filing within the official website. It is taking the, it will be going to take time, but we have done with the offline filing. So like this, we are going to do the offline GSTR1 filing. Understood? Understood, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Take time
Yes, ma'am.
to upload, so don't worry. So this is the steps and procedure to do the GSTR1 return filing. Any doubts? Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you guys carry on. You can do by yourselves. So I'll be uploading the video. You can see the videos and you can do. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. Guys. Carry on.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, no.
I got a little bit late. Ma'am, can I do it as a homework?
What? Can you come again?
I got little bit
Yeah, you
late.
can.
Ma'am,
You
can
can
I
do
do
it.
it at
Okay. You can. Yeah. So now I'll be going to wind up the session, guys. You can carry on. If you have any doubts, means you can reach out to me. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Then. Thank you. Bye.